okay, you said you like Code Geass, right? Code
Yes.
Geass, right? And you have also watched Attack on Titan, I believe, right? So इन दोनों में से पहला कौन सा देखा था? Like पहले what did you actually watch?
I know where you are going with this.
No, I'm just bro. Let me. Okay.
ठीक है.
So yeah.
I watched Code Geass first, and then later I watched Attack on Titan.
So if I'm not wrong, you might have noticed. You might have noticed कि थोड़ा सा influence, you know, not influence बोलेंगे, but let's say it was kind of
Duality.
similar the way the things were executed at the, you know, okay, you know, okay, I'll tell you. You know how Eren was like कि भाई सब छोड़ो, तुम सब मेरे को नफरत करो, मेरे को नफरत कर लो, and that way I'll be able to, you know, like get to my goal, which is like, you know, like safety of my friends and whatever. So if you have seen, and you have all actually seen Code Geass के end में, you know, Lelouch is like, he will portray this image of the emperor कि भाई मैं सब लोग मेरे से नफरत करेंगे, but then when he dies and Nunnally actually finds out कि भाई हुआ क्या था, then it's like the peakest ending I have seen. Like Code Geass is actually my number one anime, right under like Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball is like 0 पे आता है Dragon Ball, उसके बाद 1 पे आता है ये. And so yeah, like what did you think? कि थोड़ा सा similar था या फिर, you know,
लोगों का spoil हो गया.
Abhi,
Yeah.
after you've pointed it out, I think thoda similar hai. Otherwise, I never even thought about it.
Yeah.
Wow. तुम तो काफी पॉजिटिव साइड पे रहती हो फिर इंटरनेट के.
Yeah, I'm actually shocked. I'm actually
You
shocked.
are a bad influence, Ashley. दूर रहो.
Bro, यार ये कैसे? Like, okay, you know what? मैंने मांगा खत्म करी थी 2021 में जब अटैक ऑन टाइटन का फाइनल चैप्टर आया था, you know, like, and I was like, मैंने देखा and I was like, I've seen this like execution like before, like कहीं तो, and I was like, अरे भाई ये तो अटैक वो है कोड गियास है, and I was like, bruh.
Although मैंने कोड गियास नहीं देखा, बट मेरा भी रिएक्शन ऐसा था. खत्म हो गया. That was it. थोड़ा रश था, एंड थोड़ा सा रश था.
And अच्छा, okay chat, I'm so sorry for spoiling, but tell me this, do you actually agree with the choice that Eren made कि भाई मैं 80% की जो दुनिया है उड़ा दूंगा just because, you know, मेरे friends and family को, you know, थोड़ा पनीर, थोड़ा चाय ट्राई करना है दुनिया के बाहर का, you know, like, do you agree with Eren कि भाई yeah, what he did was actually
Why? Why
And
are you asking me these
see,
questions?
see, I ask this question to pretty much everyone because, and even to my random viewers, I have watched this कि भाई तुम लोग agree करते हो कि Eren सही था, you know, like, and they're like, आधे से आधे तो बोलते हैं हाँ भाई सही था भाई, उड़ा दिया भाई, मस्त किया, and like भाई तुम लोग ये नहीं देख रहे हो कि किया क्या, like चलो सही तो किया, but किया क्या? So
I think see, everybody has their own perspective, and from Aaron's point of view, it was right, and it was the only way he could actually minimize the damage the world would go through. Taking everything on himself, uska end goal wahi tha. He was clear with that, and to get there, he had to start the war somewhere, and he took it there. So I think he has done the biggest of sacrifices, and I really love him.
see,
I think he did it right.
I knew chat में कोई ना कोई तो बोलेगा he was the best guy around. भाई देखो तो सही क्या किया है भाई ने.
मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव ऑपोजिट है. I
Yeah.
think it was very selfish of Eren to do that. But
Okay.
उसके पर्सपेक्टिव से भी see, from an objective viewpoint, I think Zeke का प्लान बेटर था Eren से.
Yeah, actually.
when you see it from an Eldian's perspective, तो वो लाइफ बहुत ही कैटल जैसी होती, प्रेजेंट, which Eren उसका ऑपोजिट है. he is the embodiment of freedom. So Eren के पर्सपेक्टिव से तो ठीक है, बट ऑब्जेक्टिवली Eren का ने जो भी किया वो बहुत ही सेल्फिश था.
We are all selfish at some point in life, right?
यार